Okay, so we come to question 2. So John wants to have space in the garden for the guinea pigs to play. He's going to use 10 metres of fencing. Okay, so he's going to use 10 metres of fencing. The play space must be rectangular and have a width of 2 metres. Now John can use the garden wall for one side of the play space. He then draws a scale plan of the garden on a grid, and the diagram shows the plan of the garden. So if we go down here, we can see this is the garden here, and this up here, this is the wall. Okay, now slightly further down we have a key, and the key says that 1 centimetre on the grid, so this would be 1 square, is 50 centimetres in the garden. So obviously 2 squares would be 1 metre. So what we need to do now is just sketch in where this play space is going to be. So first, the width of the play space must be 2 metres. Okay, now it doesn't specify where this play space goes. So if I take a straight line, now if I go, say, from here to here, let's get a little bit further. Now that would be 4 squares. Okay, so this would be 4 squares. So this is 1 metre, 2 metres. Okay, now we know on the other side he's going to have another 2 metres. So 2 plus 2 is 4 metres. So we know that he's going to have 6 metres across the length. Okay, because he's only got 10 metres of fencing. So we need to come across 6 metres, and we know every 2 squares is a metre, so we need to come across 12 squares. Okay, so from here we come across 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, my line's kind of a bit wobbly. 2, 4, 6, 8. 10, I believe. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So one more square would be 12, and then he's going to come down the 2 metres here. Okay, so 4 squares is 2 metres, 4 squares 2 metres, so that's 4 metres. So he has 6 metres of fencing to join the 2, so this would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 squares. 12 squares, 6 metres. So that would answer that question. So it really is that simple. Okay, so we move on to the next question.